It's your boy, Dr. Robert King, founder of Assisted Living University, the most intensive, comprehensive, educational online training ever created in the healthcare industry. And this right here is all a part of Feel My House. This is point 2 of a 5-part training on my secret sauce to residence retention. This is my secret sauce to residence retention, and I call it my Premiere Concierge Treatment. And if you've already watched part 1, you already know where I got it from, so I'm not gonna go over that with you again. But now I'm gonna drop number 2 on you on Premiere Concierge Treatment, and that is, watch this now, pay attention. This is gonna be easy. It's gonna be like, oh my God, never thought of that. Mail gifts to residents. All right, let me break that down. You're like, what in the world is Dr. King talking about now? Do you know that most residents, when they move into your facility, they never get anything in the mail at all, like ever? If they get anything, it might be some bill from 10 years ago that somebody had tracked them down. But very rarely, if at all, matter of fact, I could say in our facility, nobody never got anything. Family member don't mail them stuff. Nobody mails them anything, bottom line, right? They don't even think about the mail. So now what we did was, and this came from by I think, what did I call her? My project manager, my house manager. She didn't even work on the facility. She was living in a whole nother state, but she handled a lot of the back office business stuff for me, right? So, why? I'm not a house manager. What am I? I'm an ALF marketer. So once I understood the power of that, I spent my time marketing my facility to fill that house. I paid somebody else to do a lot of the paperwork stuff. Are y'all with me? So she came up with the idea that, hey, let's pick one residence a month, because you have to pay for this, and let's mail them something, not very expensive. So I'm like, cool, that's a great idea. We do that at their birthday. No, not their birthday. That's just once a year. Let's just mail something to somebody, to people on a regular basis. Maybe once a month, we mail something out to different residents, and then sometimes we'll mail out 2 things because you got multiple residents. I'm like, okay, no problem. So now what we did was we picked a guy named Bill. We picked Bill first, and Bill liked cars. In his previous life, he was a mechanic. We learned that out, and he liked to work on cars and stuff, right? So what she did, check this out, come on, I think it cost me $29 a year. Come on, somebody. We did a subscription to this fancy hot rod car, and watch this now, and we put it in Bill's Harmony Homes. Bill, I'm not gonna tell you his last name, and it came to the facility once a month. Oh, he is so excited. The first time it came, he was like, what is this? Who sent me this? Oh, Bill, no problem, man. We send that to you, man. We know you love looking at this stuff. And man, that boy would sit for hours. Are you hearing me? And look through that magazine and talk about these cars. He was driving the people in the house crazy. Bill was talking about his cars, and I had this here, and Bill was like 76 years old. So he was talking about 57 Chevys, and this is my first car, was a Camaro 4.0 bullet barrel engine. And I don't know what Bill was talking about, but whenever I would sit down and just rap to Bill, because remember I taught you in this training, is 3 things that your residents want to get from you. They want to laugh, they want to feel love, and they want you to listen. So when I would sit and listen and show Bill some love, he would just talk about cars. I don't know nothing about cars. I like luxury automobiles. I don't fix them. I just style in them. You know what I'm saying? I run them to the car wash, get them washed and waxed. But anyhow, Bill loved cars. So we start mailing a subscription, cost $29 a year, of this magazine to Bill. And man, he loved it. By the time he got the second, and by the time he got like the 4th, Bill had a whole collection. His mind was just blown away. Now peep this out. This is point 2, right? This is mail gifts to residents. So now Bill had a son that would come to visit from time to time. So when the son came to visit Bill, he saw Bill's subscription, and he was freaking out. He said, I can't believe this, that they literally had subscription mailed to the place for my dad. This is amazing. Now peep this out. Also something we did, because Bill's daughter is who paid the bill, we did, remember, video/picture stimulation. Point number one, we would literally send to her videos of Bill checking out his magazine, talking about his magazine. Man, we were killing it, y'all. We was doing Premiere Concierge Treatment for the resident by sending mail to him on a regular basis. And then we was doubling up that treatment by showing the family member how we literally taking care of Bill by sending her pictures and short videos of the stimulation in her mind. So now she realized that Bill is in a perfect place. They're taking care of him. Bill is excited because he's getting some subscription magazines, and we kept it going. Sometimes she would mail house shoes to the ladies, always pink. Come on now. She would go to Walmart, like $5, some skid-free pink house shoes. She wrap it up real nice, mail it to the facility, and the lady would be in her lady's name, and she would open it up like it was Christmas morning and be all excited because she got mail. And let me tell you what we did also. We went a step further. We literally, because Bill was a roamer, a wanderer. You know, you have those, right? Bill liked to wander and walk. So what we did with Bill, we turned a negative into a positive. Okay, Bill, you like to walk every day, so you're going to be the mailman. So our mailbox was out in front of the house. We had to go out the house, go through the courtyard, go out the front door, go down there, go down the stairs, go down the driveway, and go right across the street to the mailbox, right? So we would have staff walk Bill out every day around 2 o'clock-ish. That's when our mail hit, and Bill would get the mail. Now watch this. My house manager from another state was a retired postal worker, so she sent an actual U.S. Post Office shirt to the house with a U.S. Post Office hat and a U.S. Post Office bag, and every day at 2 o'clock, Bill's job was to deliver the mail. He enjoyed it. He loved that responsibility. Listen, 1:45, 1:50, Bill getting dressed to go get the mail. And that carved his appetite for wandering. We never had Bill get up and wander ever again, because he knew every day, 2 o'clock, I'm out the house, I'm going to get the mail, and always he was accompanied by somebody else. He'd get the mail, he'd walk back up the driveway, come in. He didn't do all that. You got mail, you got mail. Bill get the mail, come in, drop it right there on the table, like, I'm done for the day, I'm going to take a nap. But Bill was excited. Okay, now peep this out. Premiere Concierge Treatment. Point 1, pictures and video stimulations. Don't you know we sent pictures and videos of Bill dressed up as our mailman to his immediate family, his daughter, and it blew her mind. It literally made her cry, because she now remembered when her dad was a mailman a gazillion years ago. Oh my God. This is how we get retention. And Bill stayed with us until his last days. Come on, somebody. So mail gifts to your residents is point number 2. Mail is simple. It's really simple. You figure out how to do it. You don't have to have a business manager like I had, a house manager like I had. You can do this yourself, man. You go to Walmart, you grab a couple things. You ain't even got to mail them. You ain't got to pay the postage. You go to Walmart, you spend a couple bucks, you pick out one residence for the week or for the month, you spend a couple dollars, under 10, you go wrap it up in some paper or a gift bag, you stuff it in the freaking mailbox, and then you can have somebody go get it as part of their daily activity, or the person who you mailing it to, you can have them walk out there and they grab it out the mailbox, or you can just bring it in and say, hey Irene, you got some mail today. She's gonna be like, I got mail? Who this from? Bam! That's how you do it. And Irene grabs that package and she starts tearing it open. You grab your phone because Irene got immediate family by the name of Keith. You grab that phone, you shoot a video, you snap a couple pictures, and later that evening when everything is calmed down, everybody's gone to bed, you start shooting those texts out to the family member, and now you secure retention. This is how you keep them in your house. This is powerful training. This is how I ran a successful full business over a 5-year period, so strong to the point that an investor literally bought my business from me. July 2020, in the middle of a pandemic, closed the deal and bought my business. Totally revolutionized my financial life. So this is a good one, man. Mail gifts to residents. Mail them a gift. You determine when, you determine who, you determine how much you spend. That doesn't matter. You do this, you do mail gifts to your residents. Let them feel love. I keep telling you about the 3 L's. You gotta love them, you gotta listen to them, and you gotta laugh with them. This point right here of Premiere Concierge Treatment, mailing gifts to residents, is a showing proof that you love them. And when you do it, don't ever forget, grab your phone, take a picture. Grab your phone, take a video. Now, I want to make this point too, because I want to forget. You be careful with giving access to the immediate family to all your staff. You know, you got rules, regulations, and policies and procedures and compliance. You do whatever the state tells you to do, but you make sure that your staff don't have personal phone numbers to your residents' family members. You understand what I'm saying? This is something that you might want to do. Now, something that you might consider doing is having a second phone in the house for your staff to take the pictures and the videos, and then you put the phone in a certain area, you pick it up, and then you send out to who it goes. This way, you don't have to let the staff use their own personal phones. You don't have to use your personal phone. You can just grab a phone for that purpose. If that's too expensive for you, then you make sure on your visits that you are there to take these pictures and videos, so you could be the one sending to the family member. You do not want multiple staff, warning, you do not want multiple staff reaching out to immediate family members and sending them videos and pictures. That's something you want to control. All right, you got it? So here we go. That's point number 2. Mail gifts to your residents, and that's how you retain them. Oh my God, this is some good stuff. Man, I'm so excited for you. Why? Because you're about to fill your house with all this marketing that you're about to put in place. And then you're going to keep everybody in your house through residence retention by implementing Premiere Concierge Treatment. And I'm telling you, your business is going to go to a whole nother level. All right, let me close like I like to close. You should know it by now. When your heart is right with God and your desire is to please God, God is obligated to bring you into the company of the people that you need to know, to the knowledge of the things that you need to know that's critical to your success and destiny in life. All right, peace.